time to swim with manta ray. So we take the boat and try to find the manta ray, which is not really far, to be honest, from where we were. It was gonna suck for me, especially because I had a problem with the snorkel gear. I should have brought my own, to be honest. That's way better. Based on Wikipedia, it says that manta ray are the large ray belonging to the genus Mobula. The larger species reach 7 meters in width, while the smaller reach 5.5 meters. Both have triangular pectoral fins, horn-shaped cephalic fins and large, forward-facing mouth. It's the relative of stingrays. So manta ray are filter feeders and eat large quantities of plankton. Zooplankton, which they gather with their open mouth as they swim. You can see how big this fish compared to my friends, even that my friend is bigger than me too, so well, yes, that's one speak. This species is listed as vulnerable by the International Union of Conservation of Nature. They have very slow reproductive rates. So the manta rays are protected in international waters by the Convention on Migratory Species of Wild Animals, but are more vulnerable closer to the shore. The area where manta congregates are popular with tourists.